everyone, welcome back. This is my second video on series and sequences, and I'll be showing 3 examples on sequences on how to find the first few terms of a sequences given the explicit formula. Let's have a look at the first question. Okay, the first question, write down the first 6 terms of the sequence. Okay, you are given the n plus 1 term equals to 2 multiply n minus 1 term minus 3 multiplied by the n term. Okay, the first term and the second term is given. The first term is 4, the second term is 3. Okay, so based on the information, okay, we have to find the first 6 terms. Okay, the first 2 is already given to you. Okay, so we will start with the third term. As you can see, the third term, 3 here, n plus 1 here, so 3, that means 2 plus 1. So the n that we are referring to for the third term is actually 2. So 2, n minus 1 is actually 2 minus 1, which will give you 2 multiply the first term minus 3. Okay, n term, since the n referred to is 2, so 3 multiply the second term. So therefore your third term is 2 multiply the first term minus 3 multiply the second term. Okay, put in the values of first term and the second term to obtain the third term as negative 1. Okay, for the fourth term, the same concept is applied. Okay, here 4, n plus 1, therefore n here is 3. Okay, we are referring n as 3 here. So 3 plus 1. So therefore here will be 3 minus 1, which will give you 2. 2 multiply the second term, subtract 3 multiply, since the n we are referring to now is 3, third term. So 2 multiply the second term minus 3 multiply the third term. Put in the values of the second term, okay, here, and the values of the third term into here. Okay, and then to obtain the fourth term as negative 9. Okay, we follow the same pattern for the next term, which is the fifth term. Fifth term is 4 plus 1. So the n we are referring to now is actually 4. Okay, so 2, 4 minus 1 term, that means the third term, and the n term here is fourth term. Okay, so we follow the same way of doing it. 2 multiply the third term. So in the place of the third term, we put the value of the third term here. Okay, in the place of the fourth term, we put in the value of the fourth term. Okay, after calculation, you'll obtain that the fifth term is negative 29. Lastly is the sixth term. Okay, same concept. Sixth term is 5 plus 1. Okay, so therefore this will be 5 minus 1, fourth term, and here will be the fifth term. So therefore sixth term is equals to 2 multiply the fourth term minus 3 multiply the fifth term. Okay, put in the values of u4 and u5 respectively to obtain the value of the sixth term as 104, and write a conclusion here. Okay, hence the first 6 terms of the sequence are 4, 3, negative 1, 9, negative 29, and 105. Okay, let's go on to the second question. Okay, let's look at the question. Also write down the first 6 terms of the sequence. Okay, but the explicit formula given is a bit different. The n plus 1 term is equals to the n term square minus n minus 1 term. Okay, and you are given the first term as 6 and the second term as negative 2. Okay, let's look at the solution. Okay, we copy down the first term and second term, and we look at how to obtain the third term. To obtain the third term here, n, here is n plus 1. That means n referring here it's 2. Okay, so 2 plus 1. That means here is the second term square minus 2 minus 1 first term. So therefore your third term is actually the second term square minus the first term. Put in the values of second term, which is negative 2, square it and minus with the first term to obtain your value of the third term, which is negative 2. The next one, the fourth term. the fourth term we obtain here n plus 1 to get 4. Your n has to be 3. So we are using n as 3 here for the fourth term. So for the n term square, it will be third term square minus 3 minus 1 is 2. So second term. Put in the value of the third term square minus the value of the second term. Okay, to obtain the value of your fourth term as 6. Okay, and we go on with the fifth term, 4 plus 1. So therefore here we are referring your n as 4. So fifth term is equals to the fourth term square minus 4 minus 1 is the third term. So fourth term square minus third term. Okay, put in the values of your fourth term here. Okay, minus the third term. Okay, third term is negative 2. Put in negative 2. Calculate the value. Okay, to obtain your fifth term as 38. Okay, the last term here, the sixth term. So the n referring here now is actually 5. 5 plus 1. So the fifth term square minus, okay, 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so the fourth term, that means fifth term square minus the fourth term is equals to, okay, 38 square minus 6. We put in the value of the fifth term here and the fourth term. Okay, and we will obtain that the value of sixth term is 1438. And we make a conclusion, okay, after calculating all the 6 terms. Okay, please list it down here as hence the first 6 terms of the sequence are 6, negative 2, negative 2, 6, 38 and 1438. Okay, let's go on to the third question. The third question, okay, also, okay, requiring you to give the first 6 terms of the sequence. Okay, the explicit formula given is the n plus 1 term is equals to the n term divided by n minus 1 term. Okay, you're given the first and the second term, right? Okay, so first and second term, okay, written. Now we go on to the third term. For the third term, the n here is actually 2. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. So the n that we are referring now here is 2, right? So this n term here will be your second term, and this is n minus 1, 2 minus 1, the first term. Okay, therefore your third term is equals to the second term divided by the first term. So the second term is 3, the first term is 6. Okay, 3 divided by 6 will give you 1/2. The next one is also using the same, a bit the same pattern, the same formula. So the fourth term, the Rn that we are referring to here is 3. So it's actually the third term divided by 3 minus 1, the second term. So therefore your fourth term is equals to the third term divided by second term. Okay, will give you 1/6. Okay, for the fifth and the sixth term, we follow the same pattern. Okay, and we therefore we obtain the first 6 terms of the sequence as 6, 3, half, 1/6, 1/3 and 2. Okay, just make sure, observe that the pattern that are being used here, the method to obtain your answers. Okay, that is all the sharing for me for this tutorial, this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment and share. Lastly, subscribe and press the notification bell so they'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, bye bye, see you again.